Well, hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Wild Your Garden, and in this video we're going to be looking at a plant that needs no introduction whatsoever, and that is of course these fabulous primroses, which are stretching off into the distance behind me. It's absolutely fabulous patch this is. I've not seen many of this size. This really is an old piece of land. This is part of an estate, local estate, Grimsthorpe Estate, no less, which is right on the doorstep of where I grew up in South Lincolnshire. And if you can see just behind me over there is Grimsthorpe Castle. So yeah, this is a road, excuse the road noise by the way, this is a main road, but I knew about these primroses a little while ago, and I've just been dying to get back here to show you because they're absolutely just looking stunning at the moment. Now it's coming up for the middle of April, but these have been in flower actually since March, and they will continue to flower till until around May. So they're a great source of nectar, early nectar, for a lot of insects, in particular a lot of the bee fly species, and one of my favourite butterflies, the absolute lemon yellow colour of the brimstone butterfly, which love to nectar on these plants. So almost guaranteed a visit by these wonderful insects as soon as they start emerging, which one or two are emerging now. So keep your eyes peeled for a flash of yellow at this time of year in the UK and across the northern hemisphere into Europe. So yeah, they are absolutely looking beautiful at the moment. Really good for a shady spot. As I say, I'm surrounded by trees at the moment, so you can see they love the shade, really will do well. So if you've got a shady part of the garden, equally they'll grow in damp conditions and well-drained soils. So a really versatile plant the primroses are, and one that I absolutely wouldn't dream of leaving out from one of my wildlife gardens that I design around the UK. So yes, they really are a cracking plant, and if you want to get some in the garden, you can of course order them from the new Wild Your Garden online shop. If you haven't checked that out, go to www.wildyourgarden.com. I'll put a link in the description below. Do have a look at that. You can buy them in little plug form, right, or seed as well, and right the way through to a 9 centimetre potted plant, which go really well into an existing lawn. So if you're looking to increase the floral diversity in your lawn, for example, you're looking to make more of a flowering nectar lawn, forget the mower, try growing a nectar lawn. I tell you, they are absolutely fantastic. I'll do a video on these shortly once a few more of these plants come out, and I can show you one or two that are best to put in your lawn. But forget about mowing your lawn every 7 to 10 days. Change your onset, change your mindset, should I say, and stop mowing your lawn and get some of these guys, and you'll absolutely just love the look of them. And cut on a high setting, you can expect them to flower if you want to cut back at the end of the flowering season. So yes, do get some in your lawn if you haven't thought about it already. As I say, shady borders as well, damp areas, dry areas. They'll grow on banks. They are such a versatile plant. So and a lot of you will be familiar with the primula family in general. Primula auricula were obviously one of my grand's favourite plants growing up. So yes, do get some in your garden. They're a brilliant source of nectar for a lot of insects, bees in particular, like I say, moths as well, and butterflies. So primroses, if you haven't got some in your garden, you are missing out. So do get some. If you've got any comments, any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer. Thanks very much for watching. Feel free to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and like the video, and I'll be sure to bring you many more videos on all the ways in which you can help wildlife in videos to come. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.